Welcome. In today's video, we'll show you how to edit your name on Discord using your Android device. Whether you want to change it for personal reasons or to add a bit of flair, the process is simple and quick. Let's dive right in. First, open the Discord app on your Android device. If you're not already logged in, make sure to sign into your account. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your server list and friends. Next, look to the bottom right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and tap on it. This will take you to your user settings, where you can customize various aspects of your Discord profile. Now, you'll want to tap on Edit Profile. This option is usually easy to find, so you shouldn't have any trouble locating it. Give it a tap, and you'll be directed to the section where you can make adjustments to your profile. Once you're in the edit screen, look for the field that says Display Name. Here's where the magic happens. Tap and edit your name to your liking. Feel free to be creative. This is your chance to express yourself. After you've made your changes, don't forget to save them. Look toward the top right corner of the screen and tap on Save. This will apply the changes you've just made, and voila! Your new display name is now live for everyone to see. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've updated your name on Discord. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.